Welcome back. Now a look at the other events in the state.
Onam celebration continues in state. Kerala Sangamam Onam Fest 2012 was celebrated on Sunday at Porvoori. Keralite food and its culture attracted many. A car caught fire at Madgaon at around 11 at night on Saturday. Short circuit is one of the suspected reasons. Timely arrival by fire brigade averted a possible major tragedy as several buses were parked near the burning car. The engine of the car was completely burned in this incident. Coast Guard Goa held a beach cleaning drive at Bogmoro Beach. Families of Coast Guard officers, staff and students from different colleges and schools participated in this drive.
Spread the message to make it as a normal habit in our life, keep our beaches clean. In this, the Goa shipyard has helped us a lot. In addition, schools, colleges, the panchayats, all the hotels along the coast, they all are participating in it.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. The Goa Football Development Council is conducting series of workshops on medical assistance and first aid for coaches. The chairman of the council has clarified that smaller clubs do not have separate trainers or physios, and hence the coaches have to double up as lifesavers on the football pitch. Acting upon a request from a smaller club, Dr. Montero has assured to provide medical and first aid kits for subsidized rates, and if possible, the council would provide these kits for free to the clubs.
Chairman of the GFDC clarified the workshop was not restricted to coaches only.
We have not stressed it only for coaches. In fact, we have asked for every team to send their trainer or coach or physio. But what happens is very few clubs have got physios, only the top clubs. And most of the physios are trained in giving this first aid resuscitation on field. So the clubs have opted to send their coaches or their trainers.
But what Dr. Montero is trying to inculcate is very interesting. Coaches or assistant coaches doubling up as first aid personnel in the absence of professionals.
If you see, the coach is with the team when they are practicing, the coach is with the team on field, so the coach is the one who actually accompanies the team wherever it plays. And he knows his players the best. And if he is able to give this medical attention, there is nothing like it. So the coaches should be having experience of how to handle the injuries.
This season, GFDC and GFA will look to provide ambulance at all major matches.
Yes, GFA, to the best of my knowledge, is working on this project of having a fully equipped medical ambulance with medical personnel at the site of important matches, the I-League matches, and even the Goa First Division, Pro League matches. And I have already recommended them even which ambulance and which personnel to use for. And if there is any financial constraint, definitely even the GFDC will definitely pitch in to help this cause, because it is definitely proven entity that we should be having around when a match is being played. Because in villages, for village tournaments, for small maybe third division and second division, at the smaller grounds, we may not be able to provide all this because there are so many games being played at the same time.
If equipment could be procured from GFDC at a discounted or subsidized rate, is it something that, because it's something you have told us before that could be looked into by your council, is it something that can actually take shape in the near future?
Definitely. Whatever little equipment they need, it's not big medical equipment, it's just the basic first aid equipment. We will work a package for them, whether we can give them at subsidized rate or whether we can give them free of charge, so that at the first instance they have it and then they can subsequently get their own equipment.
With video journalist Prajot Penekar, sports reporter Nikhil Pereira.
St. Xavier's College from Mapsa won the Inter-College Football Championship for Women on Monday. They beat Kamal College from Nuve in the finals at Goa University ground. Malvita Mascarenas of St. Xavier's played a key role in her team's triumph as she first created a goal for Desiree Pereira and then the India underage player scored the second goal.
Into your college, you'll have regained the title after some time.
It's been years we've been struggling. This is my final year, and the first 2 years we've been really struggling, and first year I missed out because of my India camp. I'm really proud to end this year by getting the trophy back home. That's all I would say, and my girls have done a terrific job.
Talk about the match today. There were a lot of places in the match where you all could have become tighter, but then you did a good job holding the team as well. You feel the performance was good enough from your girls?
Performance was good. I would not say good enough. We were a better side, but they were much better side. Since they were last year champions, a lot of pressure. My girls were under a lot of pressure, but a little bit of confidence in them. That's what we pulled it up for.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Goa University.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.